Ohio, Ashland, Crawford, Cuyahoga, Erie, Hancock, Huron, Knox, Lorain, Lucas, Marion, Medina, Morrow, Ottawa, Richland, Sandusky, Seneca, Wood, and Wyandotte. High wind watch in effect from Wednesday afternoon through late Wednesday night. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued high wind watch, which is in effect from Wednesday afternoon through late Wednesday night. Winds becoming southwest and increasing to 25 to 40 miles per hour with gusts 55 miles per hour or higher. Timing: a line of showers or thunderstorms may bring strong damaging winds to the surface Wednesday afternoon. Gusty westerly winds may rise by sunset and persist through most of the overnight. Impacts: winds of this magnitude could bring down some trees and power lines, resulting in scattered power outages. These winds would also make difficult travel for high-profile vehicles. In addition, holiday decorations can be damaged if they are not securely tied down. A high wind watch means that the potential exists for strong damaging winds to develop. These strong winds could bring down trees and power lines as well as cause property damage. If a high wind warning is issued, stay inside and away from windows. Be prepared for trees blocking roadways and power outages. Stay tuned to Weather Radio for further details or updates. At 3 p.m.